Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to activate or enable 24-hour time format on your Android. Okay, simply you can see here, this is my screen and now it is 10:33 and it is PM. Okay, you can see here, go to settings, then all the way down you can see option of system settings. Some phones already show date and time, but actually it is under the system settings. Open that and go to date and time. Also you can search for date and time, and you can see here there is an option 24-hour format. Before that you can see here it is now 10:34. Okay, simply tap on this button to turn on or enable 24-hour time format. Now it is changed. Now it is 22:34. Now it is actually working on 24-hour time format. Okay, that's guys, you can see here now time is changed. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.